whoa, it's behind me,
Okay.
isn't it?
So what do people think they are?
Well, many people, because of the whole quakes moving up there, it caused a little turmoil because they were taking up most of the land that had water in it.
Yeah.
So, they had to obviously kill people, or there was wars between people. So the way that they describe them, or the way that they look, are they kind of look like pilgrims. So people do think that it's just the souls of the people that got there first, and they're just watching others hikers just pass by.
How interesting.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Wow, very cool.
Ah.
It is.